Do you like blue drinks? Today I'm going to show you one of my favourite blue drinks. It's a twist on a classic. It is the Corpse Reviver Number Blue. Hi guys, so 2007 in Queenstown, New Zealand, a fella by the name of Jacob Bryars, who is one of the most influential people in our industry, saw a Facebook page that was called A Jihad to All Blue Drinks. So his reaction at the time was to get one of the most popular cocktails at the time for bartenders, which was the Corpse Reviver Number 2, and he decided to blue it. What do you mean he decided to blue it? I'm going to show you right now. All right, so first ingredient that I'm going to use is 20 mils of gin. I'm going to use the Mountain Goat hopped gin. I did a review recently, so the link is just up here if you want to have a look at that. I love this stuff, and it's Australian, so it's good for me being local. If you don't have it, for all my international viewers, use a really nice London dry style. That will work perfectly as well with this cocktail. Number 2 is 20 mils of Lillet Blanc. It's a French fortified aperitif. And how did he blue the drink? He subbed out the triple sec with blue Curacao, and that's 20 mils. And last but not least, 20 mils of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add some ice to that. Give it a really good shake. All right, we're going to double strain. I'm using a Angie Camorra glass. You can use a small coupette. Okay, now he called for a rinse of absinthe as well. What we do here at the 18th Amendment Bar is we do something a little bit differently. I'm just going to add first my garnish, which is just a little bit of a lemon twist. And we atomize a mist of absinthe over the top, but for a little bit of theatre, just give it a bit of a flame as well. Guys, there you have the Corpse Reviver Number Blue. I'm gonna give it a try. How cool is the color, right? So good. Blue Curacao tastes exactly like triple sec. It just really has a little bit of coloring added to it. So for me, it tastes the same as a Corpse Reviver Number 2. I like the fun element of a blue cocktail. I hate when people are pretentious about the sort of colors and stuff like that. We're bartenders, have a little bit of fun with it. Fantastic. The absinthe really sort of hits off the flavors of the Lillet Blanc and the gin. It's a really great drink for you to try. Put on a menu. We had it on our first menu here at the 18th Amendment Bar, part of our Legends series for Jacob Bryars. Give it a try, guys. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.